Hi, I'm Katie, and recently I've gone down a Polly Pocket rabbit hole. I acquired one recently, and now I feel the desire that I need all of my old childhood Polly Pockets again for my children to play with, because Polly Pocket is just not the same anymore. It's just not. So I've had my eye on all of my favorite childhood ones, and this one finally became available to a price point that I was willing to pay. So I haven't seen this in years. I am so excited. So let's see, let's check it out. We have the pool area and banquet hall. And that opens up to the kitchen and workout room. I believe there's lights also. The attic, master bedroom, ballroom, greenhouse, office, and stable. There's a car. That's my favorite part. Here it is. The set didn't come complete, but it did come with the car, and that was like my one thing I had to have. And the little workout girl. So she goes in the workout room, sits on there, just so. The car literally my favorite part. Okay, and then, these turn, so you can put Polly on there. Let's see, let's get a Polly. She can go dancing in the night. And then, you press this one to turn on the lights. So I don't know if you can tell. Oh, there's the tanning bed. And then the ballroom lights up also. I love this thing. Well worth it.